people, it is like literally 7:30 in the morning, 7:40 in the morning as I'm recording this, and it is pouring outside. If you were to take a look, that's how heavy it is raining. But no, so I like to include such important information in my videos. So it is like as of yesterday, there's this show called New York, no, Fear City, New York versus the Mafia. Yeah. So and it's a show on Netflix, and they call it a limited edition, as in there are just 3 episodes, three. So it'll I had no idea that apparently in the 1970s, New York, the fashion capital of the world, was overrun by this whole group of, by the Italian mafia. It's a group of 5 families, and they used to literally, I mean, they had taken over the city, that mafia. So, uh, but just a decade later, in the 1980s, thanks to the efforts of the FBI, it's just so gratifying to watch the show. I mean, like you realize that a huge agency like the Federal Bureau of Investigation, also they also had to literally start from scratch, to kind of build up a case against the mafia, because that's what apparently in all these crimes the mafia boss is sitting somewhere else, and the hitmen on the roads are the ones who get caught and whatever prosecuted, but the main mafia boss, they are called untouchables. You can't touch them, that kind of thing. So do watch it, people. It'll blow your mind. So it's called Fear City, New York versus the Mafia, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please